Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the important MCQs on Java applets. See the first question. Dash method is called each time an AWT Windows applet output must be redrawn. The answer is paint method. Next question. Which method is executed first when an applet begins execution? The answer is init method. After init, start will execute. After that, paint will execute. But the first method that will be executed is init method. Next question. All applets must extend dash class. Straightforward question. The answer is applet class. Next question. Which of the following method is used to print a message on the applet window? The answer is drawstring method. Next question. Which of the following ways are used for running the applets? Which of the following ways are used for running the applets? The answer is C. So we can use browser to see the output, as well as we can use the applet viewer tool to see the output. So the answer is both. Next question. Which of the following method is used to receive parameters in applet? The answer is get parameter. Get parameter. Next question. What is the correct sequence of methods executed when an applet is started? The answer is D. Init method, start method, and paint method. So all these three methods are automatically executed one by one in sequence. Init method, start method, and paint method. Next question. Which method is used to display information in status window of an applet? Suppose if this is applet window, at the bottom we have one box. This box is called as status window. To print any message on this status window, we have to use the show status method. Show status method.